Good morning and happy marvelous Monday. I'm excited to give you this week's assignments. For science, you will have a post today, and you will have one more for assignment number 4 tomorrow. I have looked over your work for your KWL assignment. That was assignment 1 last week, and also your honeybee research. And I will be giving you feedback on all of that. So please make sure that you're looking that over and getting that completed, corrected, edited, and back to me. Today's assignment is going to involve looking at a really cool simulation about reproduction. So the slide you have today looks like this, and the directions are that you're going to use evidence in the simulation to determine the type of reproduction each organism in the picture below uses, and you will mark those ideas in student sheet 3. So I've recorded for you of some directions. I've also embedded in here the link to the simulation. So you should be able to just click on this link and it'll take you straight to the simulation. It looks like this. And as you click on the different organisms, some information pops up that you can read about. And then you're going to make a prediction on your student sheet. Is it sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, or both types of reproduction? You're also going to determine, is it a multicellular or a unicellular organism? So the student sheet that you'll be working on looks like this, and I've got some key terms on it for you. The simulation is linked inside of it right here. These are some key vocabulary ideas that you want to keep in mind as you do this. So I've done the honeybee one for you. Honeybee, it is a multicellular organism and it uses both asexual and sexual reproduction. And I've added in evidence that I found in each of those summaries of the different organisms. And you can see here that I've labeled where the evidence describes sexual versus asexual reproduction. So you will continue to do the rest of these organisms here, listing what if it's unicellular or multicellular, and then the method of reproduction. The next assignment that you will get tomorrow is going to have a reading, a building your knowledge reading in it called Creating New Generations. And there's a button right here where you will be able to listen to me read this to you. And as you progress through that, I want you to be thinking about those images there. This is also a link to the reading itself in the student guide. So you can always click it and read it yourself, and then go through a second time and listen to me reading it if you'd like to do it that way. On tomorrow's assignment, what you will do then is you're going to go in and answer questions about the reading in a document that I've posted in Google Classroom. It looks like this. So there are questions here that you're going to go into, and you will just use complete sentences and restate using text evidence to answer what you learned about in that building knowledge reading selection. The last thing that you'll do then is go back to your KWL that you find on slide 8, and you will add in information about what you learned that are detailed information pieces about reproduction. So I want you to put at least 3 to 5 key things that you learned about reproduction through the reading that we've done and the learning in the different investigations. As always, if you have any questions, send me a Google Hangout or an email, or we can always video call on Google Hangouts as well. I miss you all, and I hope you are doing well.